hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Yes, I am lounging today, you all. I went to the gym early this morning. Well, not too early. And then I went to Publix and picked up some turkey bacon, some croissants, a little Chardonnay, and I came back and had a nice breakfast. Okay, so look what I got, y'all. Have any of y'all tried this? It is called the Hot Shot Tools. It is a professional bonnet dryer attachment. Okay, so of course y'all know I have my locks. And so this is, hopefully this works good. So you attach it on this. I think you take this part off. Am I right, y'all? I'm taking this all right. This thing here is hard. Okay, well, I'm gonna try to attach it with this one there. It shouldn't hurt. So anyway, this is how you use this. So those of you that want to get under the dryer but don't want to buy an expensive tabletop dryer, they have the bonnets. I got this from Sally's. Yes, I got this from Sally's. $14.99. Yeah. Okay. And so yeah. Okay, this is cool, y'all. This is cool. This is cool, y'all. And then let's see if we put it on my hair, y'all. Yes, this is gonna, it's gonna work. And so once I put it on the end of this. Let's see. Let's see if I can put it on. Well, I'm gonna have to take this top here part off, but yeah. Okay, so this is cool, y'all. This is my new, this is cool. So when I start drying my locks, because I'm going to dye my hair today. Y'all see I got my dye all mixed up here. So you just put it actually on the end of this and it blows the hot air in. So this is really cool. This is really, really cool. So y'all tell me if y'all have purchased one of these and how is it working for you? I'm excited. I'm letting my dye sit a little longer, and then I'm going to go ahead and dye and hop into the shower. And let's see, it comes with, oh, that's my receipt. And then I'll hop into the shower because I was just trying to blow dry all these locks. I'm like, I'm like, that is too much, too much. So y'all let me know if y'all have purchased one of these, if y'all have purchased this brand or any similar brands, and how did it work? So yes, it fits right on the, see that? It fits right on the edge of end of it. Okay. Okay, it says hose attachment to most handheld dryers. Designed for even heat distribution. Great for conditioning treatments. Hand washable. Folds neatly for travel. This is good. This is real good. I'm excited. I can't wait to use this. I'm sure it's going to work very well. So thank y'all for tuning in. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping new videos. Shalom.